Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing the whisper challenge.
So I did a poll on Instagram and you guys chose the type of challenge over the story time. If you don't follow us on Instagram, our links will be in the description. I probably will start posting polls to see what you guys want to watch, what videos you guys want us to film and post and all that stuff. Oh,
We're gonna use these headphones and Ashley's like back in this corner and she's gonna be playing the music and stuff. I think it's gonna go okay. I think I'm gonna win because I'm good at reading lips.
No, I'm gonna win.
She can't read lips to save her life.
Okay, I really can't read lips, but I'm still gonna win.
The first saying quit I'm gonna do is, do you like turtles? Do you like turtles? Oh, do you like turtles?
I have no idea.
Yelling. Do you like turtles? I'm gonna do it 2 more times.
Okay.
And then you have to give me your final answer.
Okay.
Do you like turtles?
Did you already say it?
Yes. Do you like turtles?
Do you like apples?
Close. This is your last time.
Okay.
Do you like turtles?
Do you like girls? What was it?
Do you like turtles?
Aw, man!
Are you gonna start? Yes.
Okay. So my question is, what's her favorite color? And let's see if she can read my lips. What is my favorite color?
What is my favorite color? I'm good at reading lips,
What
bro.
in the world? Oh my god.
I grew up with Lindsay. Love you, Lindsay. Okay, so I'm looking up sayings on here, and one of the sayings says, "Can you rub this lotion on my back?" Can you rub this lotion on my back?
Did I rub lotion on your back?
Close. Can you rub lotion on my back?
Can you rub lotion on my back?
Yeah.
Yes!
Yeah.
Yay!
Can you hear me?
No.
Play my other song.
Okay, so my next one to her is going to be, look at all those chickens. Ready? Look at all those chickens.
Why are you talking so
Oh,
fast?
sorry, that
You
doesn't. Sorry, that doesn't count. Okay, are you ready? Look at all those chickens.
Look at all those chickens.
And for what?
Okay, I'm gonna say the cows were flying. Okay, ready? The cows were flying.
The couch has flies.
The cows were flying.
The cow can't fly.
The cows were flying.
Look, I don't know.
Okay. It was the cows were flying.
Aw, I was close.
Long as she don't care.
So my next one is gonna be, where do babies come from? Ready? Where do babies come from?
Where did I get my picture from?
No. Where do babies come from?
Where do I get my penis from?
No! Oh my god. Where do babies come from?
Where do babies come from?
Oh my god!
My eyes started twitching when you first started talking. I was like, then lost the words. I'm gonna say, do you have Tinder? Ready? Do you have Tinder?
Do you have insurance?
Do you have Tinder?
Do you have a charger?
Do you have Tinder?
Do you have a hanger?
No. No.
What was it?
Do you have Tinder?
Aw.
She said, do you have a hanger?
No, I don't have Tinder.
Will you play 50K remix? That's loud.
Okay, so my next question is gonna be, are your eyebrows on fleek? Ready? Are your eyebrows on fleek?
Are you something?
Are your eyebrows on fleek?
Bro. Are you something?
Are your eyebrows on fleek?
Are you 8 pounds on a fleece?
No. No.
What did you say?
I said, are your eyebrows on fleek?
Oh. Are you 8 pounds on fleece? I'm gonna say, if you're reading this, it's too late.
Promiscuous girl.
If you're reading this, it's too late.
If you read this, you're gay.
You hear that, Ashley? If you're reading this, it's too late.
If you read this, I don't know.
If you're reading this, it's too late.
If you're reading, don't ask.
No. I said, if you're reading this, it's too late.
Oh, that was too easy. Why didn't I
I
get
don't
that?
know.
Okay, so my next one is going to be really weird, and I think it's going to really throw her off. And it says, I threw a walrus at your grandmother. Ready? I threw a walrus at your grandmother.
Why are you talking so much? That's so many words.
It's really not.
Okay.
I threw a walrus at your grandmother.
I threw something.
Yeah?
A potato flew around my room before you came. Is that
No!
Okay.
I threw a
I threw
walrus
a
at your grandmother.
I threw a party.
It was, I threw a walrus at your grandmother.
So many syllables. My hair tastes like strawberries. Ready? My hair tastes like strawberries.
Your hair smells like strawberries.
My hair tastes like strawberries.
My hair tastes like strawberries.
Yeah.
Yay! Yay! Yeah, 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 yeah,
Do I
yeah,
still
yeah,
win?
yeah, yeah. Okay, so my last one is gonna be, I ate your sister's pancakes. Okay, you ready? I ate your sister's pancakes.
I ate. I don't know.
Okay. I ate your sister's pancakes.
Why are you picking such long sentences? I ate something. I sent something.
I ate.
You sent.
No.
I ate.
Yep.
I ate.
I ate. I ate your sister's pancakes.
I ate your sister's pancakes.
I shouldn't have said it that slow.
Boy, I be going slow as hell.
Well, I'm pretty sure Kylie won because I'm pretty sure I only got like 2 right. But we'll tally it up and you guys can see who
I
wins.
told you.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm really bad at reading lips, like really bad. I just thought I was
Shout
gonna
out to
win.
Lindsay for always teaching me how to read lips in middle school.
So I hope you guys liked that video. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and comment what you all want us to do next. Thank you for watching our video. Bye.
I want a nose job.
something chop.
Why isn't it focusing?
Say it again.
That's your third time.
Bitch,
You
shut up.
don't
I'm
get-
good.
I want a nose job.
I want something drop.
I said I want a nose job.
That's where I was getting dropped from.
You don't want me to talk to you. You don't want me to talk to you.
You don't want me to talk to you.
Why she gotta yell?
One more time.
About it, sweetheart.
Something about a period.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Do you believe in God?
The fuck? She hearing what she want to hear. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Last time.
I thought Haley was bad, bro. You suck.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.